Hello, everyone. This is June 1st, 2023. This is the Kubernetes storage SIG meeting. We will be going over 1.28 spreadsheet today. So the next deadline is June 8th. That's the production readiness freeze. So if you have an enhancement targeting 1.28, then you need to have the PRR section filled out ready for review. And then 1 week after that, June 15th, that's the enhancement freeze. Okay. Let's go over this. The first one is recovering from resize failure. Is Command here?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm still in process of updating the cap. I don't have any update today, but
okay. Thanks. Yeah, just make sure you have that PRR ready by the 8th.
okay.
And next one, issues related to assuming volumes are mounted among points. This is a bug fix. Do you have any update for this? Xing or Herman, do you know anything? No update? Next one, volume group API. So this one we are still wrapping up the development work, and we are staying alpha. We probably don't have to track this for 1.28. We'll just cross this out. Next one is provision volumes from cross namespace snapshot PVC. This one we are basically continuing the alpha work. Do we have any update? Let's see. Masaki or Takafumi, are you here today? Michelle? Right, so no update. So the next one is CSI Volume House. So this one we are still waiting to add E2 test. So there is a contributor looking into this, but she's still wrapping up. So we won't target beta in this release. Next one is the change block tracking. So we discussed this in the data protection one group meeting yesterday. Yeah, so we there was a POC done. So this is definitely making good progress. I think the team says that they don't want to.
No way for 128.
Well, so yeah, so basically, if we want to follow the strict cap freeze deadline, this is not going to make it. But because that's coming really soon, just 2 weeks. But since this is auto tree, we can still work on it. So yeah, so we can check again because I still have not heard the consensus just to say whether we want to target alpha or not, right? So, but we definitely will continue with the design work, and I will check again to see if they want to just say targeting alpha. But we can continue to work on this one. That should be fine since this work is out of tree anyway.
Yep. Yeah, I asked a number of questions about how we go forward from here, assuming the prototype and POC proceed well this coming month. But we'll talk about that offline, I'm sure. Thank you, Xing.
Yeah. So I think the let's see. Yeah, probably should update this. So I think it's Ivan, Prasad, and Carl, I believe.
And Carl, yes,
Yeah.
thank.
So I think, yeah, so they need to decide when to update the cap.
Exactly,
So they are
exactly.
they are
Those are some of the things
established.
that I want to talk to you to get your guidance on, and then we'll start working towards that.
Okay, yeah, we can talk about that offline. Thank you. And next one, runtime assisted mounting. So I think that I have not heard from Deep. Yeah. Yeah. You heard anything?
Nope. I haven't heard
Right.
anything.
So no active owner. Okay, still just copy this. Next one, enable privileged containers for Windows to replace CSI proxy for Windows. Looks like we have a new owner. Menu.
Yeah, so we have started reviewing the current cap that Mauricio has, and we're trying to understand what is the scope of the work that needs to be that remains and that we need to do. Our goal is to probably set up some kind of a checkpoint with Mauricio, either over Slack or in person sometime next week, and then I think that will inform our next steps.
Great. Thank you. Next one is secure Linux relabeling using mount options. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I have no update this week. Still fixing, well, the bug is fixed, but I'm waiting for reviews and for test job.
Okay. But basically you are planning to fix that issue, do another beta, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. But we don't have to update cap or anything, right? Just to more like bug
not
fixing.
right now.
Okay. All right. Thanks. And next one is CSI migration remove entry GCE. Is this? I forgot what's the status. Is this has someone started this one?
Yeah, there is a PR out that is being reviewed still.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so those are just for tracking, and this. Oh, I don't know why this one says done. Okay, so maybe I'll just say because I'm not sure what. This is the SAP RBD. Humble sent out an email deprecating it. I don't think there was a PR out yet for that. So, Yang, did you see anything? No, I don't think I see anything.
No, I haven't seen anything, but I guess we will just deprecate it and then we will remove it like much later, right?
Right. It's actually right. So I don't know what we probably need to, maybe we need to change some of the messages or something. It's basically just deprecation first, and then we have to wait for a few, I think it's 3, right? 3 releases before removing the code. Oh, I also remember last time, is that in last meeting, Jean mentioned something. Is there any potential users for this? But I have not heard anything after that. Maybe I'll check with her.
Humble has PR to emit warnings if you create a pod or PV? No, just the pod. That's not very useful.
You mean for RBD? I know he has one for the SafeFS.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah,
I don't know. Check.
we probably should check. I actually forgot this next. Maybe I should not cross it out because just want to make sure the application is done.
Nope, there is no PR for RBD.
Okay. Yeah, so this one, I know that next one, SafeFS, I know there is a PR out. I'm not sure if it's merged there. I remember, yeah, a few of us reviewed it. Okay, so that's this one. And okay, next one is always owner reclaim policy. I think this one, yeah, we don't have E2 test for this one yet. I think Deepak won't have time right now, but maybe later. So this one, put it here on hold. Next one is a better default storage class.
We are finished. Roman is finishing the cap, single field there, and yeah, should be ready soon-ish.
Okay. Is the cap merged already, or is it the other one? I forgot.
Nope.
No, okay.
Well, there is a cap update to graduate it to GA, and we found that it misses a field. It almost passed PRR. Almost.
Oh, okay. Okay, there was some small, okay, now I remember seeing a PR and some small changes, basically. Milestone or something, right? Okay. All right, thank you. Next one is quality of service for volumes. Sunny or Matt?
We met on that earlier this week and are continuing design. We aren't going to get anything in 128.
Okay, so you think we just design it?
Yes, I think that's a reasonable goal.
Okay.
Matt, if you folks need any help on the implementation side, let us know. We are happy to help.
Cool. Thanks. I appreciate it. Yeah, I think we are setting up a meeting to look at like the current annotation-based implementations. That's something Sunny is getting sorted out.
Yeah, sounds good. Feel free to reach out if you have questions.
Cool. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay, thanks for the update. Next one is the robust volume manager reconstruction. Yang?
I'm on mute. So it's the same like last week.
Oh, same as, okay. Thank you. And PV last phase transition time, Yang again.
Again, a cap is missing implementable field. It's marked as provisional, and the API is on review for quite some time.
Okay, API is still reviewed. Okay, thank you. Next one is volume expansion for stable set. So we are Hamant.
Yeah, this is design only. We don't have like we're we had some update, but we still need to answer the questions that SIG apps posted. And I think some of them we responded, but we are trying to work through the open items on the CAP. So, yeah.
Thank you. Next one is non-graceful no shutdown. So we are trying to move this to GA, and so the CAP is updated, being reviewed, and then ETU tests are in progress. And then we have this new one, storage capacity scoring. Michelle, is Michelle here? Oh, looks like Michelle is not on the call today. Right, so I'm not sure if they are ready to target alpha. So there is a cap out, but the author didn't put on any milestones, didn't put on when they're targeting alpha or anything. It could be just he's not familiar with the process. So I just pinged him. I just added a message on his cap asking him about that. Okay, so that's all we have on the spreadsheet. If there's anything else that you want to target for 1min28, please add it to the spreadsheet.
Yeah, I want to discuss one thing.
Which one? Sorry?
Azure file CSV migration. Azure file
Oh.
removal.
Oh, Azure file. But did we already remove that? Because that's why it's not here anymore. No?
It is there. It is there.
Oh, but then why did you remove it? I thought
it is in the table in for 128. It is there.
Oh, this one, sorry.
Yeah. So because we graduated to GA in 126, that means we can remove it in 129, right?
So yeah, I remember I asked Michelle. So what happens is they actually missed the lock the feature state or something, miss something. That didn't happen until 1.27. I checked it, that's why.
Okay, so well, because they already sent a pull request and I approved it, so yeah, I need to revert it.
Right, but that yeah, it's kind of similar to vSphere, right? So it's kind of a they just forget that one thing. I can show you. I can find that PR. Yeah.
Can you please send me a link to that?
Yeah, I can show that to you. Yeah, that's I specifically asked Michelle about this one. She pointed out this one actually. We need to delay this one.
Yeah, too late.
I'll add a note here for myself.
Yeah, I will talk to you after the call.
Okay, yeah. Okay, let's check this after the meeting.
Thanks.
Okay. All right, so that's all we have today, and we don't have any other topics added here. Are there anything else folks want to discuss here? If not, then you have more than 30 minutes back today. Thanks, everyone.
Cool, thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.